Okay, in last video we did our email opt-in section, and actually I created a new alternative for that design if you would like to try that one. And also I want to mention the split screen effect in that video as well. So we have our video in here, and this could be an image that you would put. So basically I duplicated that section, then I used two columns to get one for the email opt-in and the other for the image. Then I used a shape divider in here, and that's basically everything. But here's some hint I want to tell you about. Now it looks cool like that, but when you try the iPad version, you're gonna see something that our image doesn't match to the end of our section, so we need to fix that. And this is only gonna happen in your split screen effect. So let's go back to our desktop again, and here we have our image. Okay, that was dragged widget. Okay, so let's delete our image from here, and now we have our section background as video, and here's our email opt-in form, and we can go to our widgets, and we're not gonna drag our image immediately. Okay, so we need to drag our heading in here, and we're gonna keep that one empty just to force our image to be stretched. And then how we're gonna insert our image, we're gonna go for that and choose style, border type, image, and then we're gonna choose our image, insert image. Okay, and of course you can choose to make it cover, and you can add some parallax effect to our image if you like that effect. And now let's check it out in our iPad or tablet. As you can see, the image is filling the entire screen. And don't worry about the responsiveness for the tablet and mobile device, we're gonna do that together, and it's very important for our website. So we're gonna go back to our desktop, and now we're gonna work on a new section. Now we have that section, and that section, you can keep that section if you would like saved. I don't know which one you like the most, guys, but you can judge based on the website. You have to scroll, and then you can judge whether this one matches better or this one. So it's your call, and you can send me a comment which one you like the best. I would really like to know your opinion about that one, and see if it's going to be voting. I will choose what you like the most. Okay, because like I might be using that design later for an official website. If you like that one, tell me your opinion, guys. I would really appreciate that. So now I'm gonna save that section actually. And this is one of the amazing features of the Elementor page builder, that you can save any section and reuse it where you would like later. Okay, so we can save section from here and call it email opt-in section 2. Okay, then we're gonna save that one, and then it's gonna be saved, and you have all your templates in here. You can insert it anytime you would like, or even export it or delete or preview. We got that section. Now I'm gonna remove it from our website, and then we're gonna work on testimonial section. And to do that, we have that section. Let's delete that section and add a new one. Maybe use that structure in here. We can get rid of those later. Actually, we might not really use them, but let's get to our testimonials. We have that trick heading. Okay, and it's gonna be for quote purpose, and we can give it a style later. But let's go add our testimonial section, and we've got that already in here, and let's add it below our text. And all you have to do is to insert an image here and stylize that part. Okay, so let's go to that and get that to be in the center and stylize. Going to text color, make it that color, and then our typography, let's increase its size here. I'm gonna make it italic, and let's reduce our line height, keep it like that. Then let's go to our testimonial. We're gonna add an image in here, maybe that guy. We can make that on top like that. I think it's better that way. We can change its job or name from here, and we can stylize that text here. We're gonna do that in here. We have content color, darker gray like that, and then we're gonna make typography active. Then let's reduce that line height a little bit, taking too much space. This is like a review section, guys, okay? And then we can control our family font. Actually, to be honest with you, I don't like that much typography in here, so I'm gonna make it a little bit less, maybe till here, or maybe just a little bit of it. Let's go to typography again. Before I continue, I just remember that nice hint that you should keep in mind while you're making any kind of design. If you're working on any design and you're approaching your final result and your final visuals, or even you finalized your design and you wanna judge it, try to keep your eyes off the screen for a little while. And that's how you're gonna like reset your visuals. I usually do that while I'm designing. I would leave the screen for a while, maybe go drink some coffee or maybe go rest for a while, and then come back, give like 5 minutes in between or 10 minutes, and then check your design again. And I think you will be having some comments on your previous judgments and your previous choices. And keep doing that maybe 2 to 3 times, and then later you're gonna come up with a great design. The name, maybe of activate typography, so we're gonna change its color and make it from our color palette. We can change its size a little bit like that, and here we have our line height. Let's make it even closer, and each and every element has its own padding and its own margin, so let's add maybe -10, and then let's duplicate that row 3 times, and let's delete those rows. I told you we're gonna delete them at the beginning, but like I was quite lazy to do that. I don't know, guys, sometimes it's you get paralyzed. Okay, let's use that guy in here, and then we have that one. We wanna change its image. Now the entire section needs some space from the above, so we're gonna add some margin for our section. Let's make that from the top maybe 20 or maybe 40. Okay, and let's preview our new section. Looks cool, and the page builder makes it easy for us. Okay, that's with our testimonial section, and we can go ahead and add some shape divider for our background. I will make that one tilt to be consistent with our style. Maybe we have to invert those colors to be matching with our margin in here. So like we're gonna change our background color to make it gray like that, and then we're gonna go to our shape divider and make it white. Then we're gonna start customizing this shape divider, maybe like that, and then we're gonna add some little padding for the entire section, maybe 20. And why we do that is because like we need to add some space in here and here, and that's why padding will be condensing the space inside our section. Okay, and we can go even for 30 to make it even better. And now let's review that section. Looks really nice, but we need to work a little bit on our background. We can add some gradient effects in here. Okay, so we're going to make this a little bit gradient. In the background type we have that color and we have gradients. Let's go to gradients and add our gray, maybe make it a little bit darker like that. Then we can change its location and its angle to make it 45 degrees like that, and then we're gonna increase that white angle little bit. This one will be like that. Maybe you can make this one a little bit lighter. And here's something quickly I want to tell you about. If we have an image like that, I know it's quite out of topic, but like I just remembered that if we have a text like that and it's in here, and we have that text overlapping another text like that, we can go in advanced settings and we have that z index, and that z index for getting that layer on top of that layer. Okay, so if you put one, that will be on top of the other. And maybe it's not clear in that example, but I just wanted to tell you that z index means that you can bring layers on top of each others if you have two overlapping design elements. Okay, so let's delete that one and let's review our section. It looks really cool and nice. Okay, I think I'm gonna be using the other email opt-in design and save that section as email opt-in section but one. I'm gonna save it, and then I'm gonna add another section in here. I'm gonna add template, my templates. I'm gonna add our number 2 insert in here, and then we got it. Okay, and I'm gonna delete that one. So we have our email opt-in just for you to judge, so you're gonna see it for a little while, and I think this one could be a little bit better. Okay, I don't know, it's kinda confusing, but like I'm gonna leave it that way. And now we can reduce that gap a little bit, make that 20. That's it for this section. I will be seeing you in next video. That was Khalil Ibrahim with you, wishing you all the best.